Hi everyone! In this episode, two young entrepreneurs will win $2,000. That's enough for new clothes, sneakers, games and movies for the whole year. But there is a big but. They must make the best sales pitch if they want the money. And today, the competition is harder than ever because the prize is bigger than ever. So who will win the money? Let's find out. First up, we have Team Shark Attack. They created an app that helps you track your workouts. The problem is, most kids don't work out and even fewer enjoy it. So how can you make something like that more fun? You could add some friendly competition by letting them compete against each other. Or you could turn it into a game where you earn points and badges for every workout. That's a great idea. Next we have FOMO Fighters. They created something called the Gratitude Jar. It's a cute jar and lid with a twist. Every day you write down what you're grateful for, and then you put it in the jar. Then when you want to remember those good moments, you can just shake the jar. Oh, nice. But do you know what would make it better? If you could also share those moments with friends and family. So instead of writing on paper, you can just record the moment on your phone and then save it right to the jar. Now when you shake it, you see and hear all those great memories. Next up, we have Sleepy. They invented a smart alarm clock. It has a built-in camera, so your parents can check up on you and make sure you're actually awake before letting you out of bed. Wait, why would they need a camera for that? Because it takes a picture and sends it to their phone. Haha. Parents are definitely gonna love that one. But here's an even better idea. Instead of taking a picture, it can use AI to analyze your sleeping face. It can determine if you're awake or not without invading your privacy. And no, it can't do that. It's science. It's called machine learning. Next up, we have Flashback. They created glasses that can let you capture videos hands-free. Yeah, but why would anyone want to see the world through the lens of a camera? Well, let me tell you, these glasses are so tiny and discreet that you won't even notice they're there. And once you start recording, you can capture all those awesome moments, like when you score the winning goal, or when you nail that guitar solo. Wait, you play guitar? Yes, I do. Actually, I learnt it during the pandemic, and now I'm part of a band. Cool. What's the name of the band? The Rocketeers. We're thinking about changing it to something cooler, like Atomic Fireballs or Cosmic Crusaders. Next up, we have a very special guest. It's Mr. Beast. Hey guys, can I say something? Sure. Why? No, everyone loves Mr. Beast. He's the king of YouTube. Thanks, man. But I didn't come here to talk about myself. I came here to support these awesome young entrepreneurs. Because when I was their age, I had this crazy dream of becoming a YouTuber, but people said it wasn't possible. They told me to get a real job and that my mom would never let me quit school. But you know what? I didn't listen to them. I followed my passion and I worked hard at it every single day. And guess what? It paid off. So if you have a dream, don't let anyone stop you from chasing it. Not even yourself. Remember, you only get one shot at this, so make it count. Thanks, Mr. Beast. That was very inspiring. Alright, next up, we have EcoCart. They created a self-driving shopping cart. Wow, that sounds like a huge project. Yeah, it is. It took us a lot of time and effort to build. We're super proud of it. But I gotta ask, why would anyone want a self-driving shopping cart? Well, imagine you're at the store and you have to push a shopping cart full of groceries. It's heavy, it's bulky, and you have to keep track of all your items. Plus, you might have to go up and down stairs. It can be quite challenging. With our self-driving shopping cart, you don't have to worry about any of that. Just sit back, relax, and let the cart do all the work. It'll drive itself to checkout while you just chill. Awesome! Next up, we have SunSips. They created a device that lets you turn any water bottle into a smart bottle. Whoa, really? Yep. Our device uses AI to learn your hydration habits and then reminds you when to drink water throughout the day. It also has a built-in straw, so you can drink water hands-free. Very cool. But let me guess, it also has a straw, so you don't have to bend over and touch the water. Exactly. Next up, we have Stride. They created a shoe that helps you walk and run more efficiently. So it's basically a normal shoe. Well, not exactly. You see, our shoes have a built-in motor that provides extra power with every step you take. This can help you walk longer distances without getting tired. But wouldn't that just make you lazier? Not at all. Our shoes are designed to help you move more, not be lazy. We want people to get outside and explore the world. Next up, we have Pocket Pal. They created an app that makes cooking easier for kids. Okay, but why should I cook when I can order food online? Because cooking is fun, and it's a great way to learn life skills. Also, there are a lot of kids who don't know how to cook, and that's not good because they'll be on their own someday, and they'll need to know how to take care of themselves. That's true. But let me ask, how does your app make cooking easier for kids? Well, our app provides step-by-step instructions for simple recipes, and it includes fun games and activities that make cooking more interactive for kids. Next up, we have Board. They created a device that lets you play retro games on any TV. Whoa, really? Yeah, it's so easy to use. Just plug it into your TV and you're ready to go. Plus, it has a built-in speaker, so you don't have to worry about finding a way to connect it to speakers. That's awesome. But wait, why would anyone want to play retro games when you can play modern games? Because retro games are fun too. They're simple, they're easy to learn, and they're perfect for families to play together. Next up, we have Giggles. They created a device that lets you control your pet's toys with your phone. That sounds like a lot of work. Well, it is, but it's worth it because our device lets you control your pet's toys remotely, which makes playtime more fun for both you and your pet. It also has a built-in camera, so you can watch your pet play while you're away. How awesome is that? Next up, we have Brilliance. They created an app that helps you learn STEM topics in a fun and engaging way. Sounds like another boring educational app. Well, it's not. Our app uses gamification to make learning more fun. So instead of just sitting there, listening to lectures, you can earn points and rewards for completing lessons. That's cool. But how does it compare to traditional schooling? Well, it's different. Our app focuses on practical applications of STEM topics, and it lets you learn at your own pace. Next up, we have a very special guest. It's Steve Wozniak. Hey guys, I'm here to tell you a little story. When I was a kid, I loved building things. I was always tinkering around in my garage and putting things together. And then one day, my dad walked into my garage and he saw all the stuff I had built. And he said, "Wow, you're a natural engineer." And that really inspired me to pursue my passion for technology. That's awesome. Thank you. So if you have a passion for something, don't be afraid to follow it. And now it's time for the judges to deliberate. Who will win the $2,000? That's a tough question. They all worked so hard. But in the end, it comes down to one thing. Which team can articulate their vision the best? Which team can convince the judges that their product is the best? Well, we made a decision. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. The winners are Stride. Congratulations. You did it. Wow. We couldn't have done it without you. Thank you. Here's your prize. Thank you. We're going to use the money to improve our shoes and make them even better. Awesome. And to the other teams, don't be discouraged. You all did a great job. And hey, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you to succeed. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep working hard, and someday, it might just happen for you too. Thanks for watching. And if you want to be part of the fun, don't forget to hit subscribe. We have a ton of exciting episodes coming up, and you won't want to miss a single one. See you next time. Bye-bye.